Good morning, students. We are discussing civics second chapter, constitutional design. In this, we have discussed till making of Indian Constitution. In the last class, we have discussed about the point legitimacy of the Indian Constitution. But today, we are discussing about the working of Constituent Assembly. So here, the Assembly has been dominated by Indian National Congress, which included a variety of political and religion group of people. So in turn represented members of different language groups, caste, class, religion and occupations. Finally, the Constituent Assembly work in a systematic, open and constituent with mutual consent manner. So which gave scared quality of the to the constitution. So this here the people has been discussed about the working of the constituent assembly. At last they have been got the quality of to the constitution. So drafting committee and constituent assembly. First, some basic principles were decided and then drafting committee under a chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion. So here drafting committee drafting committee uh, meaning is a committee set up the draft to the constitution. Okay, this is the meaning of drafting committee. Again I am repeating, drafting committee, it is nothing but a committee set up to the draft to the constitution. So again here the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar prepared a draft constitution for discussion. So what is draft here? A preliminary version of a legal document. It was a legal document, is known as draft. The discussion of the draft constitution took place clause by clause. Clause, it is nothing but a distinct sections of a document, means document one by one. The member of drafting committee compiled the working of 114 days spread over 3 years. So they have to complete the drafting committee. The members taken the work 114 days spread over 3 years. More than 2000 constitutional amendments were made. So constitutional amendment, the meaning of constitutional amendment, it is nothing but a change in the constitution made by the supreme legislative body in a country. Means some of the changes, okay, the changes which has been made by the supreme legislature body of a country. Every document presented and every word spoken in the Constituent Assembly has been recorded and preserved. So here, as 2000, more than 2000 constitutional amendments were made. So each and every word has been spoken, and constitutional assemblies, even they have been spoken and they have maintained a record also. These are called Constituent Assembly debates and have been printed into 12 bulky columns. So these constitution, it means the things which has been recorded or spoken is known as debate, and here the debate has been printed into how many bulky volumes? 12 bulky volumes. These debates provided the rationale behind every provision of the constitution and are used to interpret the meaning of the constitution. So here at last they have been interpreted here the meaning of the constitution. So here important members involved in the drafting of Indian constitution. So now we will discuss about who are the important members they had been in this constitution. First, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the year 1875 to 1950. Next, second, Abul Kalam Azad 1888 to 1958. Dr. Rajendra Prasad 1884 to 1963. H.C. Mukherjee 1887 to 1956. Durgabai Deshmukh 1909 to 1981. Baldev Singh 1901 to 1961. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar 1891 to 1956. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee 1901 to 1953. P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru 1889 to 1964. Sarojini Naidu 1879 to 1949. So these are the members, those who have been involved into making the drafting of Indian Constitution. Now, guiding values of the Indian Constitution. See, to understand the Indian Constitution properly, we need to understand overall philosophy. So what is the meaning of philosophy here? Philosophy, it is nothing but the most important fundamental principle underlying one's thought and action. So here, to guideline value of the Indian Constitution, whatever the fundamental principle where took place and the thought and action is known as philosophy. This can be done by knowing the view of some prominent leaders about our constitution as well as to preamble to our constitution. So here Mr. Mahatma Gandhi had the dream and the promise. So what is his dream? Let us discuss. Even Mahatma Gandhi was not a member of Constituent Assembly. Mahatma Gandhi, he was not a member of Constituent Assembly, but many members of it followed his vision. ठीक है, वो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली के मेंबर नहीं थे, लेकिन कुछ लोगों ने उनको फॉलो किया था. In 1931, he had expressed himself in his magazine. So in 1931, he expressed one of the magazine. The magazine is Young India, that he wanted to frame a constitution that provides an effective voice to the poor and underprivileged. He wanted the constitution to promote harmonious living of all communities in the country. So he needs a constitution to promote even the living of all communities in the country. It means he was expressing his views that all are equal before the law. It should not allow untouchability, intoxicating drinks or drugs in the country. It should give equality to women with men. So at last he said that even equality to women and men also. So again, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar wanted political, social and economic equality for all. He is known as what? Father of Indian Constitution. It can become as 1 mark. Who was the father of Indian Constitution? You will write the answer. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, he was the father of Indian Constitution. He feared that if they deny equality and social economic life for long, democracy will be a great danger. So again, what is the meaning of democracy? Democracy, it is a form of government which is chosen by the people to work for their welfare, is known as democracy. So in the next class, we will discuss about Jawaharlal Nehru, institutional design and some of the preamble constitution. Thank you.